You might hear the term Minsky moment thrown around during market crashes. What does it actually mean for your portfolio? It is named after Hyman Minsky, an economist who studied why financial systems tend to become unstable over time. The core idea is that long periods of economic prosperity actually lead investors to take on too much debt, creating a fragile system. Minsky identified three types of borrowers. When we reach the Ponzi stage, the whole house of cards becomes incredibly sensitive to even small shocks. Most investors think markets are always stable, but history shows that periods of calm often plant the seeds for a sudden, massive collapse. When asset prices stop rising, investors are forced to sell everything to cover their debts, triggering a sudden, sharp market crash. Minsky famously said that stability is destabilizing. The calmer things look, the more people gamble, setting the stage for the next drop. Understanding these cycles helps you avoid panic when markets turn. Subscribe for more deep dives into how the economy works.